Magandang araw sa lahat. Tapos na po yung trading ngayon, September 11, 2020. Kamusta na po kayong lahat? Ingat tayo sa uh, coronavirus. So ngayon, i-review natin yung mga stock na under PSEI, yung 30 companies na nasa index natin. So ito po yung tinatawag nila ng mga blue chip companies. So there are 30 companies in the PSEI index. So itong companies na ito, ito yung parang primary na companies. Pag tumataas yung PSEI, yung index natin, karamihan mostly of the foreign investor ay dito po unang pumasok sa mga companies na listed in our PSEI index, yung 30 companies. So before that, we will go first to the PSEI. Kung ano yung price action ng PSEI ngayong araw, hindi katapos lang na 1 o'clock yung trading. So let's go to the PSEI chart. So ito yung PSEI ngayon. Ay umangat ng 1.11%. Nasa 5,967.96 yung level ng ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So nag-bounce siya ng kaunti ngayon. Pero kung tingnan natin dito sa price action at saka yung indicator natin ay below 25 pa rin yung EDX. At saka yung positive DMI ay below sa negative DMI. So yung foreign ceiling ngayong araw is 527.02. Yung RSI is 51.65. Tingnan natin yung MACD. Yung MACD na ay nasa taas naman ng single line but below zero line. So, dito tayo sa price action. Ito yung candle na nag-touch sa May 20. But ngayon, yung closing price, closing level ng PSEI ay 5967.96. So, kahapon, yung high ng previous candle is 5973.59. So, hindi pa po siya strong. Pero kung sakaling ngayon ay tumaas at ang closing price ay above sa 5973.59, there is a tendency that it will hit in this resistance, this minor resistance. So ngayon, itong candle na ito, ninineglect na natin ito kasi ito yung candle kahapon. So we will focus on this candle. This candle now is still hitting EMA 20. If the next trading day, by Monday, mag-close yan dito sa may above ng high price ng high level ngayon is 5967.96. There's a possibility that yung PSEI ay magbabounce hanggang dito sa may minor resistant na level na ito. But if ma-break niya, So suppose maybe he will come on this area from a break. But we will see in the next trading day by Monday. For example, next trading day, yung low nito ay 5,888.36. So nandito po yan. Pag ang closing price by next trading is below 5,888, we will expect PSEI will go back to this area. So take note, if the low or the closing price on the next trading day or by Monday is below 5,888.36, there's a possibility that the PCI will go back to this area. But if the closing price is above 5,967.96, PCI maybe will going up to this minor resistance. In general, the ADX still below 25. So now let us go into the screener. Punta tayo sa screener na ginagawa natin. We will see the screener. Tingnan natin yung screener ngayon sa PSEI. At saka yung mga stock na nasa PSEI index. So ito yung screener ngayong araw na ito yung mga companies ngayon. Okay? So hinahanap natin ay yung mga stock na nasa PSEI index. So ito yung mga stock na nasa PSEI index. $30 companies po ito. So there are 30 companies. So silipin natin yung isa-isa ito. AC. We'll start with AC. Meron tayong AC, EEB, EGI, AC, EEB, EGI, Ali, EP, BDO, Bloom, BPI, DNC, Emperador, Hepgin, Blue, GTCAP, ICT, GFC, Jollibee, GGS, LPG, Metrobank, Megaworld, Meralco, MPI, Pure Gold, Robinson's Land, RRHI, Security Bank, SM, SNC, SMPH, TEL, PLDT, and URC, Universal Robina. So ito yung mga companies na nasa Philippine Stock Index. So we will start with AC. We'll going back to the chart. So AC. Ayala Corporation. Yung Ayala Corporation ay bumalik dito sa may support zone. Pero bearish na po siya, downtrend. Kasi yung lahat ng moving averages ay nasa taas. So downtrend yung easy natin. So titingnan na, just monitor, kung tingnan natin yung lagyan natin ng trend line, galing dito, papuntang, ito yung unang trend line. So now, we will adjust it up to here. So i-adjust natin yan. Okay. We will adjust this trend line. And based on this pattern, ito po ay bearish pattern. So if this support will hold, so possibility na mag-bounce siya doon. But if not, it will go on this area. Possibly, kung hindi ma-hold yung support, Ayala Corporation will go on this area. Okay? So, but now, ang Ayala Corporation ay bearish. Tingnan natin sa mga indicator dito, malaki yung yung ADX ay 21, nasa below 25, pero yung negative DMI natin ay nasa itaas ng positive DMI. So now let's go to EEB. Yung Aboitiz Ventures. Yung Aboitiz ay nasa EMI 100. So kung tingnan natin dito sa long term, yung long term na papunta siya dito sa may location, dito yung incline resistance. So for me, we will wait, EEB will climb on this location. So yung momentum niya ay humina, yung momentum ng EEB. So if you see the negative DMI is still above the positive DMI, EDX is below 25. MACD natin, MACD ay mahina yung momentum. So we will wait EEB to climb or break this resistance. Baka babalik siya dito sa may support. So mahirap po yan. Next one, we have EGI. Yung EGI, ay umakyat na dito sa nilagyan natin na linya dito. So now what we want to see with EGI, we will see the retracement of EGI. Okay, na-break na yung resistant dito, itong minor resistant. So we'll wait EGI to go in retracement or we will go sideways. Just monitor this EGI. Tingnan natin yung ADX. So if you see here, the positive BMI is above negative BMI. ADX now is climbing up. Our MACD is above the zero line and the signal line. But now he is in the overbought. The RSI 70.68. So keep in touch with this EGI. Kung mag-retrace and it will hit the EME 20. So always check the EME 20. Yung entry. So now, ngayon may foreign buying na 82.65 million. So we will just monitor this EGI. But now it is 11% from this resistance, or 8%. So please wait for the retracement. Kung saan siya papunta or magre-retrace. Kasi yung RSI natin ay overbought. Next one is Ali. Kaya lang, ang tingnan natin ngayon, Ayala Land ay yung high kahapon is 30.30. At saka ngayon ay yung closing ay 30.4. So we'll expect Ayala Land na magpunta dito sa may incline resistance. Okay? But next trading, mag-close siya sa below sa 29.7. We will expect Ayala will go in this area. So there are two scenarios for Ayala Land. If he will, ayos naman yung candle today. But if Ayala Land closing price by Monday is above 30.4, possibly he will go to this incline resistance again. He will retest this resistance again. But if Ayala Land will close below 29.7, Ayala Land will go down in this support. Tingnan natin yung ADX ay 25. MACD ay nag-cross naman sa signal line, but it is below the zero signal line. Zero line. So, pag ang MACD ay nasa ibaba ng zero line, it is still considered as bearish. So, yun lang yung ng Ayala Land. So, next is EP, Ayala Abilities Power. Yung Abilities Power ay dito sa price action, itong resistance na ito na break na. Pero nagre-retrace. Tingnan natin yung horizontal, kung lang yan natin dito. So ito na yung next minor resistance for EP. But ngayon, we will see yung EP pupunta dito sa may 20. So we'll see if they will retrace to May 20. Based sa ating indicator, ADX, at saka yung positive and negative BMI, still below 25. So it is considered as non-trending. So non-trending, it means hindi siya malakas. Maybe the downtrend of EP hindi masyado malakas. Okay? Yung natin yung volume dito, yung price is going down, the volume is also taper down. So it means yung ceiling ay hindi malakas. Okay? But now what we want to do, we will monitor AP if we will hit AMA 20. And we will use the same strategy for the candlestick hitting AMA 20. Meron po tayong video dyan na maybe 1 month ago or 2 months ago about AMA 20. But this is not a perfect, this is only a guide. If you can use it, but we need to have a risk management. So always have a risk management. So for EP, we will wait if you will trace in the AMA 20 or break that minor resistance. So let's go to video. Financial, this is in the financial institution. If you see here in the price action, video, kung mag-plot tayo ng resistant, this area is a resistant area. Now we will see if video will bounce in AMA 20. And you know already what is the procedure or how to buy the stock kung mag-hit siya sa AMA 20. Okay? Ngayon, papunta siya sa AMA 20. If ever he will hit in the AMA 20 and you see a reversal candle based on what we analyze, pwede kayong mag-tisbay dyan, but take care, this resistance is only near, malapit lang yung resistance. Okay? Tingnan mo yan, nasa 3.90% lang. So it's okay. Who knows kung ma-break na yung resistance dito. So it will go on this area. Okay? But if the trading is not materialized, if he will going back below the AMA 20, you need to cut your loss. Kung malapit pa lang. Pero kung nasa baba na, so malaki na yung paper loss, anyway, that is only paper loss. Hindi naman mawawala yung pera niyan unless you sell it. Kung ma-sell na yung share, that is considered as loss. But pero kung hindi naman ninyo nabenta, paper loss lang. So for me, video will wait if he will bounce in AMA 20 or he will break this resistance, this area. And if there's a pullback, we will see again what is the price action is stealing. So kung aggressive yung buyer or not aggressive. But based on this pattern here, the buyer and the seller is parang siso. Tutulak ng buyer papunta sa resistance, pagdating sa resistance, itutulak ng seller papunta sa support. So yun ang nangyayari ngayon. Now, nandito na siya sa AMA 20, if he will bounce here, possibly you can break this resistance. But we need to take care always. If it is going below AMA 20, we need to expect that it will go to the support area. This area. So now let's go to Bloom. Yung Bloom po ay nagre-retrace, 3 candle trades. So now, this is the time we need to see. This is the good areas we need to watch for Bloom. So same technique, the one we use for AMA 20. So if he will bounce, possibly he will going back to this resistant. Or if I am the one to uh, ride on, I will stay with here. And but it's okay for this area if he will bounce. You can take how much percentage if he will if this stock will bounce in this support, 8.32%. Okay, just monitor the AMA 20. Next one is BPI. This is another bank companies. So BPI is still, this is the last review that we have, is the incline resistant. Still it did not break the incline resistant. Now it's going to the near to the incline support. So dito yung yung tinatawag dito, ito po yung area na yung seller at saka yung buyer, they need to decide either they will push it up or push it down. But for now, it is a downtrend because the price is below all exponential moving averages. So you need to wait if this will be break or BPI will stay here. Now, DMC. For DMC, nasa ibabaw siya ng AMA 20. But we need to see price action touching the AMA 20. So, nandito na siya sa support na ito, but we need to see candle to touch the AMA 20. So, but this area is now the area of support. But yung mga candle ay maliit. So, it means mahina yung momentum. Kung tingnan natin yung EDX still below 25. MACD ay hindi pa naman nag-cross down sa signal line. So maybe nagko-correct lang. So for me, I will see if there's a bounce or a candle touching the mid-20. Okay, we need to use the strategy how to buy stock kung ang candle ay nag-touch sa mid-20. But kung mag-bounce yan, possibly he will go to this area. So next one is Imperador. Imperador is still going sideways. So ganun pa rin yung Imperador. Going sideways. But take care of this because yung RSI bumaba na sa 57. So we will see if MACD will cross up again. Kasi pabukaka yung MACD going down. We will wait MACD cross to the signal line. Hintay-hintay lang. Okay. Next one is FGN. Yung FGN ay nag-bounce sa EMA 20. So itong last review, hindi po siya na materialize. So next one, if the candle will close above 25.10, so it is good for FGN, but take note it is near the resistance. So for me, it is good he will break this resistance and stay in this area making a pattern. So based on our indicator, still negative DMI is above the positive DMI and the EDX is below 25. So it means this price action is not strong. Now next one is Globe. For Globe, ay nasa ibabaw ng AMA 200. Okay? But still non-trending. I need globe. Tingnan natin kung papatong siya sa AMA 20. Always see the AMA 20 kung nasaan. Ngayon, nasa ibabaw yung AMA 20. So, hintay-hintay lang muna. Kasi pag ang price ay below AMA 20, AMA 50, AMA 100, consider po natin yan as price in retracement. Okay? Hindi po siya strong masyado yung trend. Trend in retracement. So next one, GT cap. Yung GT cap ay nasa ibabaw ng EMI 200. 20 rather, sorry. So need to see. Be watchful of this EMI 20. Same strategy. And if he will break this support resistance, if he will stay here, it is good for GT cap. But for now, we will see the price action in the EMI 20 area. Okay. Next one is ICT. Yung ICT, International Container Services, ADX, positive DMI, negative DMI is below 25. MACD is attempting to crossing up to the signal line. And the good thing here, it is above the zero line. Now, if we will see here in the price action, this candle, this is the price action for today. If next candle will close above 107.5, there's a possibility that this line will be hit by ICT. But in case it is below, there's another, the possibility is going down. We're going to AMA 20 again. Okay? But for now, for me, it's good if you will break this resistance and there's retracement in this area and see where is the AMA 20. Always see the AMA 20. Okay? This stock is now in going to uptrend. Okay? But we need to have a good entry. Next one is GFC. Una yung Jollibee Corporation. Yung Jollibee, as we expect last time, humina yung momentum ng Jollibee. So nandito na siya sa below sa trend line, itong support. Okay? Now Jollibee is in a downtrend again. We will see Jollibee if we will hold in this area. Pero mahirap po ito kasi may incline support dito. Magiging resistant po ito. So, humina yung ano ng Jollibee ngayon. So, we will expect Jollibee will go down. Otherwise, if Jollibee will going back to this area, it is good. But for now, momentum of Jollibee is going down. See, tingnan natin yung MACD. Nasa ilalim plane ng signal line. And there's attempting to go down below the zero line. Okay? Ngayon, may foreign ceiling na 40.92 million. And the negative DMI is still above the positive DMI. So, hindi pa strong si GFC. He is now in a bearish. For me, it's good. GFC will go to this area. Because ito yung resistant. 3 times, dalawang beses, tatlong beses na niya na-hit yan. And hindi niya na-break. So for me, I will wait GFC here. Next one is GGS. Yung GGS, ay nasa ibaba ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So, itong pattern na ito ay bearish pattern. So, we need to keep GGS. Parang mina yung ano ng GGS. Wala po yung ano natin. Chart. So, we'll be back on the chart after. So, lang natin yung chart. Nawala yung chart natin. So, we'll wait. Nawala yung signal, no? So, yung nire-review natin, ito po yung mga PSEI stock. Mga blue chip companies na nasa PSEI index. 30 companies. We will review this one on weekly basis. So, the last company is GGS. So we'll back to GGS. Our screen now is going back also. Okay, nandito na tayo sa GGS. Base sa price pattern or action ng GGS, nasa bearish po yung GGS natin. So we'll wait, for me, I will wait GGS in this area. Okay, below na siya sa lahat ng exponential moving averages. So LTG. LTG ay nandiyan sa my resistance area. Okay, so if LTG will be going up and then there is a retracement, this is a good time to test buy, no? Hindi yung ano yung bili mo lahat yung pera niyo. Only test buy. Okay? So for me, positive BMI is now above the negative BMI. EDX is below 23, below 25. So we'll see if EDX will climb or MACD is now attempting to going back. So, ngayon, wag muna kasi nandito sa resistance, we will wait if we will go up and then if there is a retracement and hitting the EMA 20. Next one is Metrobank. This is another financial institution. Yung mga banking natin ngayon, yung mga banks ay bumababa po yung mga stock nila. Okay, nandito tayo. Yung positive BMI ay above negative BMI. So, ngayon, price action, kahapon, 35.65, ngayon 34.55, so still no. So for me, I will wait Metrobank to break this resistance. This blue line. It will climb here and there is a retracement. I think Metrobank mayroong short rally pag pumatong dito. Pero ngayon, wala yung candle, wala. So maybe the next trading day, by Monday, if the closing price will going below sa 34.5, we'll expect MBT will go down here. Okay? But now, maliit na lang yung area. But in case Next trading, the closing price is above 35.35. So we'll expect it will hit in this location, or it can break the resistance. But for the base, I will wait for to break this resistance. Next one is Meralco. Yung Meralco ay nasa ibabaw ng MA20. Pero kung magawa tayo ng trend line, yung trend line gagawin natin, so nasa malapit sa may resistance area. Okay? Base sa MA20 strategy, hindi po siya pasok. So we need to wait Meralco to break this resistance, incline resistance. Kung mag-stay siya dito, it's good for Meralco. So maybe he will hit this location. So malapit lang, 2.91%. So mahina. So we will see Meralco to climb in this area. But now, it is in the resistant area. So we need to see Meralco in this area. Wala pong bullish pattern dito ngayon sa Meralco. So now let's go to MPI. Yung MPI, ay umangat ngayon. Ito yung short-term resistance niya. Umangat siya, but hindi niya na-break itong high ng candle na ito. So we expect it will go retracement, or it will break this resistance. And after there's a pullback, this is the time we need to see for MPI. So just see also if we will going retracement, if hitting MA20. Okay? So kung tingnan natin yung ADX ay still below 25, but the positive DMI is above the negative DMI. Yung MACD natin ay still above the zero line and above the signal line. So we will wait if there is a retracement to the support, or there is a break and a pullback to retest this support. Okay, kasi yung resistance magiging support area. Next one is pure gold. Yung pure gold ay nasa ibabaw ng MA50. So we will see after we will come back to MA20, above MA20. But it's good if we will going out in this area. Pero ngayon, may na yung momentum, no? May na yung strength, momentum going down. So wag muna papasok tayo dito sa pure gold. Hintayin tayo lang muna ng good entry. Yung ngayon, ang buying, ang ceiling ng parent ceiling is 64.64 million. So let's go to RLC, Robinson's Land. Yung Robinson's Land ay nasa ibaba pa rin ng lahat ng exponential moving averages base sa price action. It is bearish. So if Robinson Land will close next trading day above 14.86, it's good. But if it will close below 14.60, it will go to this support. If it will close above 14.7 or 14.86, possibly it will go to this resistance. Okay. Base sa ating indicator is still non-trending. The strength is non-trending. MACD ay nasa above zero line but below the zero, above the signal line but below zero line. Your RSI is below 50. So, bearish yung ano ng RSI. So, next one is RRHI. Yung RRHI ay umangat ngayon but still it did not break this resistance. Ito yung candle din na nag-stay lang din sa may area niyan. So this is considered as resistance. Wait for any retracement again of RRHI. So kung pupunta dito sa may AMI 200 and AMI 20. But for now, there's no, mahirap po sumakay niya, no? Malapit lang yan sa resistance. Unless you will break and pull back to this area. This is a good thing to watch for RSI. But today, malapit lang sa resistance area or nasa resistance zone. So we'll wait the next price action of RSI. Next one is SICB, Security Bank. Yung Security Bank ay nasa below ng AMI 20. So ito yung last review natin. I put a arrow going down. So tumama na siya dito. So tama yung analysis natin na bumalik si Security Bank sa may inclined support. Pero kung tingnan natin dito sa resistance, humina po yung momentum ng Security Bank. So ngayon, yung presyo niya ay 95.10. So nasa below pa rin ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So bearish yung ano natin ng Security Bank. So for me, I will wait Security Bank to stay on this area. Okay? Kasi ito yung resistant incline. And kung mag-bounce fail lang kayo, just check the AMI 20 strategy, the one I shared in the previous video. I have videos for AMI 20. But take note, this is not a 100% guarantee. We need to see where is the support and where is the resistance. Okay, we have a risk management. This is not intended for buying, but this is only for review, brainstorming, and sharing of ideas. This is the way I manage my trading strategy. So kung okay kayo dito, kung may makukuha kayo ng mga ideas, so na ma-fit sa inyo, so you can use it. Pero kung hindi, no problem. So you can do your own strategy na kumikita tayo. Because in trading, we have a different strategy kung paano tayo kumita. The main goal for entering the stock market is to have a profit. Okay, now Security Bank is in a bearish condition. Still, our ADX is below 25, so non-trending. Our MACD is attempting to closing up, but we need to see if we will break this resistance and stay on this area. Okay, bearish pa rin si Security Bank. PSM. CSM ay nasa resistant area. CSM. Okay? But the good thing is closing above the 899. So this is the good thing for SN. So there's a possibility na baka ma-break na yung resistance na ito. But for me, I will wait in this area. Okay, kasi kung bumalik yan, so we will go here again, going down. Tingnan natin yung indicator, it's all below 25. So non-trending. Mahina po yung lakas. Okay? So we will wait SM to go to this location. Next one is SMC. Yung nasa nahilig uminom ng San Miguel. San Miguel Corporation. Yung SMC ay below pa rin ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So bearish pa rin. So but take note for this candle. If the candle next trading is closing above 101, so there's a possibility na pumunta siya dito. Okay, but maliit lang yung space. So for me, I will wait SMC to go to this area. Okay. So bearish pa rin si SMC. Lahat ng indicator natin ay mahina po yung strength at saka yung momentum. So SMPH, yung SMPH, SM Prime Holdings, yung SM Prime Holding, ay bearish pa rin kasi below ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So mahina po yung SM natin. So we will look for AMA to ride the above the AMA 20, the price. So mahina pa yung SMBH natin. So if in case you will not hold in this location, malaki yung bagsak niya dito yung punta sa baba. So now, we'll avoid muna itong SMPH. Si base sa price action, wala pong momentum. So for me, I will wait if SMPH will break this incline resistance and stay on this area above all moving averages. But for now, napaka-bearish si SMPH. So kung tingnan natin, lahat ng indicator ay nasa below zero line, zero signal line ni MACD. At saka yung RSI is below 40, below 50. So bearish po yung SMPH natin. So iwas muna sa MPH. So next one is still the PLDT. PLDT, tingnan natin yung PLDT. Umangat naman si PLDT ngayon, but nandito sa mga resistance. Okay. But we need to see PLDT to break this resistance. Kasi nasa resistance area po si PLDT ngayon. And malayo sa AMA 20. Dapat ditong area kayo nagtingin. Hindi ditong area. Okay? So what we will do for PLDT, we will wait if we will break the resistance, and if there is a retracement, see if we will touch AMA 20 or in the support area. Okay? Dapat dito kayo sa mga sa moving averages, sumitingin sa may AMA 20. Ngayon, malayo na yan. Kung sasakay kayo dyan, kung hindi ma-break yung resistance, siguradong bababa yan. Baka 4% yan, no? 3 to 4%. Okay? So wait for tail to retrace or to break the resistance. And the last one is the URC. So yung Universal Robinhood. Universal Robinhood. yung chart. So, ganyan po ang trading, no? Kailangan we will always see where is the support. Okay? So, let's go to Universal Robin, ha? Nasa support resistant area si Universal Robin. Tingnan natin dito sa ating ADX ay below 25. Yung MACD ay attempting to cross up. Kung mag-cross yung MACD, ADX will go up. So it's good. But we need to see siguro itong area. Okay? Mas maganda kung ma-break ni URC itong area na ito. Okay? So, there's a possibility that URC will go to this resistance. So, ano natin yung URC. Wala kasi yung ano natin yung okay. This is the last. This is the long-term resistant na incline resistant ng URC. Nakalampas naman siya. So, we'll expect URC will go to this area. And we will see a price action going to this location. So, makikita natin dito. Ayan ito may bullish pattern. So, pwede tayo din. So, tingnan muna natin yung URC. Pero kung tingnan natin dito sa long term, maganda kung makapunta si URC dito above this line. Okay? Base sa PDX, it is below 25. So, lahat ng positive DMI, negative DMI, nasa baba pa rin ng 25. Ang MACD is attempting to crossing up. So, we'll see kung mag-cross up siya. Saka yung ADX ay angat sa 25. Yung RSI is above naman sa 50. So, yun lang po yung review natin sa PSEI index. We will review the PSEI index every week, bi-weekly. And in trading, we are always find where is the support area. Kung malapit sa support area, if there is a reversal candle, especially nandiyan sa ibabaw ng AME 20, so you need to see if there is a reversal candle. But always remember, if hindi mag-hold yung support, you need to have a risk management to cut immediately your losses habang malapit pa. Pero kung nag-bounce naman pataas, nasa resistant area na, nakabili kayo sa may support, then you will take your profit. Kunin na yung profit niyo. baka magiging bato pa yan. So we need to, yun lang ang ano ng trading. Pag kumita na, bibenta na yung share. Kasi hindi po lahat na panahon yung stock ay tuloy-tuloy yung pagtaas. Minsan nagbabounce lang yung stock, lalo na ngayon yung PSEI ay hindi siya uptrend. So kung umangat yung presyo, nasa resistance, hindi na-break yung resistance, then it's the time you will sell your share and take your profit. And wait for another opportunity. Kung mag-retrace yung stock, then it's the time you buy again kung may reversal time. So that's all for today. And thank you very much, and God bless us all. And we will see you on Monday. We will monitor the PSEI index stock. Ma-break ba ng PSEI yung incline resistance? So it's good if ang PSEI ay mag-uptrend. Kasi mostly sa mga stock, nasa PSEI also mag-uptrend. So thank you very much, and God bless us all.